In today's digital world, protecting your online privacy is crucial. But what exactly is a VPN? A VPN, or virtual private network, creates a secure connection between your device and the internet. By encrypting your data and masking your IP address, a VPN protects your online activities from prying eyes. Now, let's learn how to choose a reliable VPN service. Consider factors like server locations, connection speed, and privacy policies. Once you've chosen a VPN, setting it up on your devices is easy. Follow our step-by-step guide for a hassle-free setup process. Remember, while VPNs provide security, they have limitations. Using additional security measures alongside a VPN is essential for comprehensive protection. Stay informed and stay safe. Subscribe to CyberSensei for more cybersecurity tips.